Hello again and welcome to a new video. I'm doing a brake refresh where I take the old rusty brake discs and put them in Evapo-Rust and then hope that they turned out good, and then change out the brake pads and the brake lines and then be done. Then I'm gonna put it in the Evapo-Rust and start the transformation. And it'll stay here until tomorrow. So now the disc have been laying here soaking for a couple of days. So now we're gonna take it out and see what kind of condition it's in. That looks pretty awesome. Ridiculous. You can see it looks pretty much brand new here after we wipe off all the rust and dirt and everything. Look on the before and after picture, it's a pretty big difference. Then the brake discs have been drying for one night, and now it is ready to be put back on and in excellent shape. We are done with our little brake refresh. The brake discs that looked horrible and rusty before now almost looks new. I washed over the calipers a little bit, and same with the bolts and everything. And I also put all the wheel bolts and obviously the small bolts here in the Evapo-Rust. So now, what looked old and gross almost looks brand new and factory fresh again. All in all, this has been a ridiculously efficient and a quick and easy solution to get all the brake parts looking almost brand new again. Highly recommended and project completed.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.